RightToAudit.ai changes how teams handle the weight of complex assessments. Everything begins in this central workspace, where active risks and open queries finally live in one place. The struggle of the manual chase ends here. When a gap is found, the system drafts the follow-up email for you. You review and send, while the platform automatically links incoming replies back to the correct query. The intelligence extends outward too. The platform scans regulatory updates and news sources to surface external risk signals, ensuring your findings are always transparent and traceable. Drop a contract or policy into the platform, and the agent extracts every obligation while highlighting control gaps instantly. When it's time for a vendor assessment, the system builds your audit plan in seconds, mapping compliance clauses directly to tasks. In the chat, use the @ symbol to ground the analysis in your own data, like referencing Amazon to pull historical evidence directly into the conversation. The agent responds with cited recommendations, building a complete, traceable audit trail as you work. The result is a board-ready report that is accurate and fully explainable. It isn't about replacing your team, it's about giving them the structure to move faster. Compliance with clarity, not complexity.